ఆనరబుల్ హైకోర్టు వాళ్ళు ఈ ఫైలింగ్ ఆప్షన్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరిగిందండి. ఈ ఫైలింగ్ ఆప్షన్లో జస్ట్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ మీడియం టు present your petition or your plaint before the honorable court. So in this purpose, first all details required. So what are the details required before filing a case? First let we see. So while we going to the Honorable High Court website, in that one we have e-filing option is there. So click on e-filing option. Then again in the e-filing we have two types of filing accepted. One AP High Court and subordinate courts. First we are going to subordinate courts. So subordinate courts. So whenever you tick on the subordinate courts, select the district where your jurisdiction and select the establishment as per the plaint the case belongs to and jurisdiction of the court. You have to select based on that which court you are want to file a case. So for example, Principal District and Session Judge Court. So then so before filing what are the documents required? Either plaint, wakalat, if you paid the chalana, court fee, all the things should be in PDF format. Before going to file a case, you have to create PDF files using cam scanner. So and you should who file the case should have mobile number as well as mail ID, because the further correspondence should be done through the mail and a mobile number by the consent court. So first I have read all the instructions and click on new filing. So whenever you come new filing, so first before going to file a case, you have to write all the mandatory fields. So whether you wanted to file a civil or criminal case, and case type and name if the either plaint, petitioners, appellates, complaints as per that. So name, petitioner's father's name, address, age. If the petitioners are more than one, then you have to click on add one. So then you have to enter the second petitioner. So as per that, if the more number of petitioners, you have to add all the petitioners names and the relevant information as per the screen appeared. And more an important thing is never come to a mistake. Please check all the fields or the fields indicated with asterisk marks like star mark or mandatory. So all the things will be keep in mind. Next, defendants are respondents and accused particulars. So as like petitioners, same details you have to enter all the things, right? So if more number of defendants or more number of respondents, more number of accused, click on add on. So by mistakenly if you add one, then you have to just remove, simple. So prayer, main case prayer. So what is the main case prayer? You have to type here. And if any IA is filed along with main case, so miscellaneous prayer you have to specify. So in the main case, in a more number of IAs filed, so please add all the things as like, right? And so what the main and important thing is reasons for urgency. So what is the urgency during this lockdown period you want to file a case before the honorable court? So based on this urgency only, the honorable court, the honorable principal district judge court will allow your case for filing or reject. So very carefully and very mandatorily enter the reasons for urgency. This is the first and important thing. Based on this only your case is accepted or rejected. Rejected means so no urgency in this case, that's why that case is rejected. So that's why you have to specify the urgency. Right? And court fee details. So it is optional. So if you pay the court fee in the bank, then choose file option and upload the bank chalana. If you are not pay the court fee, then a declaration form is given by the Honorable High Court, which is available in the Honorable High Court Subordinate Courts Guidelines Rule. Fill the particular declaration form and scan that one and choose and upload the same here. This is the mandatory field, either declaration form or bank chalana. That is the one. And advocate particulars. So name of the advocate's full name and bar council registration number as per the example shown above, and mobile number and email ID. So the mobile number and email ID is very important, because the further correspondence whether your case is numbered or rejected will be intimated through email ID or mobile number from the concerned court. Any other side advocate details if you have, then you have to enter all the details. And other side advocate mail ID if you know, then add. And pleadings. So what are the pleadings? Grounds on which grounds you are going to file a case will be in a PDF format, and choose file which is already with you, as well as any IAs in your file. Then for example, if one IA, it will be one PDF. If another IA, it is also in one PDF. So if you file a more than 5 IAs in a particular case, then all 5 IAs in a single PDF format. So choose that particular file. And documents. So documents what you are submitted to the honorable court will be uploaded. All will be in a single PDF file. And wakalata form. So wakalata form should be there. So these all things you should enter and submit. Then you will get confirmation screen. Before submitting, please go through the details what you entered in the application form. All details are carefully checked and submit, because there is no edit option once you submitted. So please be cautious while entering the case details. So this is the file. So once if you file case during the lockdown period, the honorable court believe that if emergency in your case, then it will be forwarded to your file to the concerned court. Otherwise, no urgency. The honorable court find that no urgency in your case, the honorable court reject your case. So this is the things how we file a case. This flow is going on. Now we are going to file case to e-filing with an example. So first check subordinate codes. Please tick on subordinate codes and then select district name. Again select the court establishment in which court we are going to file a case. For example, we choose as Senior Civil Judge Court Vijayanagaram. Then tick on I have read all above instructions and go for new filing. So in the new filing case, either advocate or party in person can file a case. So if we click on advocate, the details appear as like this. If we click on party in person, the details appear as like this. The main difference between a case filed by the advocate and a case filed by a party in person is advocate details. That is the main difference. Remaining fields are same. And so now we file a case by advocate option. First select civil or criminal. Civil, case type OS, name. So for example, name is Rama, father name is Srenu, address Vijayanagaram. So in the address field, we have to add the complete address along with door number. Okay, door number. So we just we are on in example we just typed as Vijayanagaram, but we have to type the complete address along with door number. Age 36. So single plaintiff and defendant Shiva, father name and address of the defendant Srungavarapakota, and age 42. Main case prayer. So main case prayer is typed here. So what is the prayer we have typed in the main case prayer, and is there any IA again will be entered. So for example, we entered as like this, petition price for so and so. So reasons for urgency. So as we discussed earlier, reasons for urgency, it is important. So we have entered. So reasons for urgency, and so on which reasons you are filing a case during this document you have to enter. So we are taking this as an example. We entered the same, right? The patient bracket so and so so and so. Entered some dummy bills. So court fee details. So either declaration or a bank chalana. So we are choosing the file from my computer. Already we have PDF. So The taken is bank chalana. So bank chalana is uploaded, and petitioner advocate particulars Bhanu and barcode. Code computed code 0000 and mobile number and email ID. So any other side advocate particulars if you have. So other side particulars. So initially we don't know the other side advocate particular details, so we just left it as blank. If you know the other side particular details, you have to enter, and then I have to upload the pleadings which is already along with me, and IA again the documents which are supporting documents, and wakalat form. So all the files I uploaded, and before submitting we just check if we entered the details correctly or not. Again cross check. If you enter the details, then click on submit button, and then a prompt is uh, shown as, are you sure to save the data? There is no edit option. If there is no modification, just click on OK. If you find any modification, just click cancel and edit the details, and again edit the details and submit. So are you sure to save the data? There is no data option. So if no modification, just click OK button. Then please match the requested format. Please enter valid computer code. So it is the computer code will be 5 digits, but we entered here only 4 digits. So 5 digits, and then submit button. Are you sure want to? Okay. So again mobile number, submit and OK. And then if all the mandatory fields filled correctly, then the page will be redirected and prompt a message that data inserted successfully. Just click on OK button. Then we get the details what you entered earlier with the as shown in the screen. So then click on next button, then we will get the acknowledgement slip. So first print acknowledgement, and print the acknowledgement slip, and then print case details. Click on print option. Then you will click on close or exit button to file another case. It will be redirected to the main page. If you want to add or send the documents which you are required for further, just click on e-filing and AP subordinate codes district and court establishment. So why I'm going to show this is, here we have two options: new filing, filing already in the existed